Which word means most nearly the same as barbaric? A. Drastic, B. Vicious, C. Notorious, D. Eccentric, or E. None of the above. As barbaric means cruel and exceedingly brutal, we need to look for the word with the most similar meaning. Regarding drastic, although being barbaric might include some drastic actions, the words barbaric and drastic are not similar enough to have the same meaning. Similarly, someone barbaric may be notorious, that is, well known for a bad reason, but again, they're not similar enough in meaning. Eccentric, if anything, has even less to do with barbaric. Simply meaning deviating from the norm, it's not easy to draw a line between eccentric and barbaric. We're left with vicious, which we can select not only because it's our last answer, but because it perfectly matches with barbaric. As vicious means savage or ferocious, which we can see matches barbaric's definition, we can mark it as our final answer.